Good morning guys, Matt from the tuning store. If you don't recognize me, it's because I shaved my beard and it was a terrible mistake, I know, but let's not talk about that. Anyway, we are here to talk about the tuning store today. So the tuning store this month is 2 years old. Don't think any of us here could have apprehended just how quickly and how well the tuning store took off. It's been absolutely mad busy since pretty much the first couple of months we got started. But in today's video, we're gonna go through sort of the services we offer, the brands we offer, just what we do really. So let's pop in the shop. I'll give you a little tour around and yeah, go from there. Okay, so let's start with probably one of the biggest areas that we offer here is the wheels. So we've got a lot of different brands on compared to when we first started. So obviously we've always had Rotiform. We're Rotiform through and through. That's not going anywhere. But since then we've got Vossen, we've got Motegi, we've got Fuel, we've got OZ, Fan Racing. We've got a lot of different brands on. So all of these wheels can be found on our website. We've got plenty of them listed there, all different sizes, fitments, colors, so whatever you need. Just have a browse and give us a call. We can help you out with that. All available on Klarna as well, 0% finance. What goes with wheels? Obviously, suspension. Let's turn around. We'll have a look at that. So one of our other biggest areas at the tuning store is obviously suspension. We've got to know a few particular brands really well. KW, we've got on Palms Porsche 997, we've got on Raj's Clio. BC Racing, we obviously had that on our Slam Sanctuary Customs Honda S2000. We had an extra low kit that was wicked, to be fair. Bilstein, so we do really well with Bilstein on transporters at the moment. So like even with lift kits, Bilstein offer lift kits, but lowering kits as well. So moving on from coilovers, obviously we've got our bread and butter, which is air suspension. So we can pop around here. We've got this whole massive display dedicated to airlift. So airlift, you know, car audio, the tuning store, we absolutely love this. Airlift is a great brand. They're from the US, but they only do sort of a certain list of cars. If you can't find a kit for your car on our website, we do have a range of other brands we use that we've got to know through the tuning store over the last couple of years. So we've got Prazis, we've got Airex. So I think there probably isn't a car we can't bag now. So yeah, if you need your car bags, drop us a DM, give us a call, but we do 1, sometimes 2 cars a week. So we are chock-a-block with, well, air suspension bookings. So you might want to make sure you hit us up soon. So moving on from the suspension side of things, let's look at more towards the interior. So let's start with Momo. Momo is a steering wheel brand that we've done really well with over the last 2 years. We've got a few of our own cars as well. I'm sure we can put some pictures on top of me. So they offer a massive different range of steering wheels. So you've got your classic looking steering wheels for your old Mercedes, Porsche as well. You've got your more sort of tuner side and race car side. So you've got your tuner wheels, sort of your suede Alcantara wheels. And then they've also got sort of their own, almost like a drifting line as well. But yeah, plenty of different wheels for all different sort of needs, different builds. A really good quality Italian brand. So we've gotten really well with them and we still do really well with them. Okay, so another thing that Momo also offer is a big range of gear sticks, be that for your classic cars, your race cars, your silly summer build cars. But yeah, some really cool stuff. Again, really good quality. So let's move on to induction. Okay, so other than Pipercross, we do a couple of other brands. So we've got Ram Air, for example, very similar brand to Pipercross, just a little bit different in their design and their finish. Again, they do loads of cars, really great value for money as well. It's not too expensive, but quality is fantastic, to be fair. Now, moving on to possibly one of our favorites, eVenturi. So this is actually going on Raj's GR Yaris shortly. There'll be a video out on that soon. eVenturi is possibly one of the biggest and best brands out there. Comes with a price tag, but all their stuff is just gorgeous, genuine carbon as well. So moving on to, well, at least my favorite area, and the reason that none of my neighbors talk to me anymore, is exhausts. So we do quite a few exhausts here. We absolutely love doing exhausts. Got a few different brands on board now. So we got Remus, that we got on display one of the new Supras. We've got a back box system on display. We've got Miltech. This is actually a really cool display. We'll show you some close-ups in a minute. This is about 4 different sort of systems merged into one. It shows you the internals. Akrapovic. So this is probably, without being biased, it's one of the best exhaust systems you can buy. It comes with a price tag, but they sound amazing. We've had it on Raj's 991 GT3.
Wow! Wow!
They sounded wicked. And we've also got Quicksilver, a really good British brand, all made in the UK. I think we did an R8 V10, a new R8 V10 on a Quicksilver system, and that sounded insane. Okay, so besides what we've already taken a look at, we do offer a lot more, but we can't fit it all in the showroom, unfortunately. So a lot of it is on the website. So besides all the show stuff that we've just taken a look at, we do a lot of motorsport stuff, be that racing steering wheels, short shifters, bucket seats, all the way down to your oils and your additives. We can take care of literally anything you need doing. Okay, so not only do we just supply all of this on the website, obviously we have a fitting service as well. If you haven't visited our showroom already, it's well worth a visit. We've got some relatively friendly staff that will look after you. So we can cater from your build, from just a set of wheels to literally a full summer show build. So anything you need doing, we can do that for you. We've got this lovely waiting room. We've got TV, Wi-Fi, everything you need. Speaking of fitting, I think let's go have a look at the workshop. It's recently been redone. I think Palm's been doing some Instagram updates on that, but it looks absolutely amazing compared to what it used to look like. Got some cool cars in at the moment, some cool jobs going on. Let's go speak to the guys, see what they're up to. This is the workshop, like I say, where the magic happens. Anything we supply on our website, we do also offer the fitting service for. Like an exhaust, for example, who wants to buy an exhaust and then have it turn up at your mum's house? It's just a pain, isn't it? So again, it's only a little bit extra. Just give us a call if you're looking to buy something, drop us an email. We can give you a quote for fitting it. It takes 2 seconds, and all you have to do is drive down to us, give us your keys, spend a couple of hours in the waiting area, get some lunch, and then your car's done. So that is our 2-year update for the tuning store. Obviously we've done a lot of really cool stuff. We've got a lot of cool builds that we've been doing. Plenty more brands to get on board. Yeah, it's been really good fun. It's been really hard work, but yeah, I mean, the rewards speak for themselves, to be fair. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us here the last 2 years. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel just so you can keep up to date with what we've got coming up. Even this week, we're starting loads of really cool builds, some on customers' cars, some on our own cars. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.